mowers used to be a joke. Boundary wires, constant stuck alerts, and a cut pattern that looked like your dog designed it. But Greenworks just changed the entire game with one machine. First things first, the C40 retails for around $1,500. I know, that sounds like a chunk of change. But stick with me, because once you hear what this thing can do, you are going to understand exactly where that money is going. And this bad boy covers up a full acre of lawn completely on its own, and we are going to walk through every major feature that makes it worth every single penny. Let's talk about the navigation, because this is where the C40 genuinely separates itself from the competition. Greenworks built this thing with what is called the RTK Vision 2.0, and this is not your basic bump and turn robot mower situation. RTK Vision combines satellite-based RTK positioning with an onboard 3D vision system to achieve navigation accuracy down to about 1 inch. 1 inch, people. This is insanely precise. We're talking about a machine that knows exactly where it is on your yard at virtually all times. Completely wire-free, which also means the installation is dramatically simpler than older robot mower designs. Now, let's talk about the obstacle avoidance, because this is genuinely next level stuff. The C40 uses a 3D time of flight camera module paired with an RGB camera, and together these systems can detect and automatically avoid more than 200 different types of objects. We are talking about your dog, your kids, toys left out in the yard, garden decorations, whatever might be sitting in the grass. Now, there is also a physical bumper as a last line of defense if something sneaks up on it. You can honestly just let this thing run and trust that it is not going to destroy everything in its path. All right, moving on to the cutting system. This is where the C40 really steps up compared to the smaller C20 model in the lineup. The C40 uses what Greenworks calls Smart Cut, featuring one disc with 5 blades. It also has a floating cutting deck, which is a huge deal. The floating deck means the mower automatically adjusts and adapts to the contours of your lawn as it moves. Uneven ground, slight dips, subtle rises. The deck follows the terrain rather than fighting against it. That protects both your lawn and the cutting machine itself. Cutting height is electronically adjustable right through the app, ranging from 3/4 of an inch all the way up to 4 inches, giving you that real flexibility depending on your grass type and your preferences. All right, let's talk about terrain handling, because not every yard is perfectly flat, and the C40 is built with that reality in mind. It runs on a 4-wheel front drive configuration with oversized wheels designed for serious traction. This machine can climb slopes up to 24 degrees, which translates to about a 45% grade. That is steep, folks. If you have a rolling yard with hills and inclines, the C40 is genuinely built to handle it without slipping, spinning, or tearing up your grass. For the smarter features, this is where it gets really fun. The C40 connects via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and 4G with 1 year of 4G connectivity included. You get auto mapping built right in, and you can manage up to 20 separate zones across your property. 20 zones is a lot of flexibility, and it's great for yards with multiple areas separated by driveways or landscaping and so on. There's also a built-in weather forecast function, so the mower can make smarter scheduling decisions. The app gives you full control over everything: scheduling, cut and height adjustment, zone management, you name it. But wait, there's more. The C40 has headlights and is capable of mowing at night. So if you want to run it while you're sleeping without disturbing your neighbors, you can, because this thing operates at a whispered quiet level. That is genuinely impressive. You also get GPS tracking, a theft triggered alarm, pin code protection, and lift detection for security. Plus there are over-the-air software updates, so the machine keeps getting better and better over time. Water resistance is rated at IPX6, so rain is not going to stop it. Warranty coverage is 3 years on the mower, charging station, and RTK station, with 2 years on the battery. Oh, and there is a feature called grass painting that lets you create some custom mowing patterns in your lawn, which is just a really cool creative touch if you are into that kind of thing. Bottom line, the Greenworks AiMowbot C40 is an incredible, capable, wire-free robot mower packed with smart technology, serious terrain handling, and genuine autonomous intelligence. If you are ready to reclaim your weekends, this thing deserves a serious look, and links can be found in the description below. Drop comments, and as always, I'm out. Peace.